First up, Batman Reimagined. Witness his strength and agility in this amazing transformation. Next, Superman like never before. Marvel at his might and newfound power. Here is Spider-Man with a stunning twist. Experience his agility and grace anew. Wonder Woman transformed. Behold her power and beauty in this remarkable change. Iron Man, in an innovative form. See the fusion of technology and power in his transformation. Captain America redefined. Experience his justice and courage in a thrilling way. Hulk, the unstoppable force, now with a thrilling look. Feel his raw power in this ultimate form. Thor, the god of thunder, in a magnificent guise. Stand in awe of his strength in this transformation. Black Panther Reimagined. Witness the nobility and power of his royal new form. The Flash, with an electrifying persona. See his speed and energy in this dynamic change. Aquaman, ruler of the seas, now with an epic twist. Experience his underwater power anew. Green Lantern, glowing with power. Feel his willpower and courage in this luminous transformation. Cyborg, with an advanced form. Witness the blend of technology and strength in his new look. Wolverine Reimagined. See the transformation highlighting his relentless nature and resilience. Deadpool with a unique flair. Enjoy his unpredictable and witty new persona. Ant-Man showcasing new abilities. Experience his intelligence and agility in this thrilling form. Scarlet Witch with an enchanting aura. Witness her abilities and magical transformation. Captain Marvel, radiating cosmic energy. Marvel at her powerful form and strength. Doctor Strange transformed into a mystical marvel. Experience his wisdom and enchantment anew. Black Widow, the spy with a sleek edge. See her agility and stealth in this captivating change. Shazam, with godlike powers. Behold his strength and exhilarating transformation. Hellboy Redefined. Witness the blend of demonic power and heroism in his transformation. Moon Knight, with a mysterious presence. Experience his stealth and strength anew. Supergirl transformed. See her super strength and grace in a powerful way.